State Bank of India has increased the base rates. Why have they decided to increase base rates at a time when economy is struggling? To understand that, let's connect with the Chairman, Arundhati Bhattacharya. Ms. Bhattacharya, good morning. Thank you for joining us. So what is the big consideration behind this rate move or the base rate hike by SBI?
If you consider the repo rate hikes that have taken place since our last rate hike, we have a 50 basis points repo rate hike, which obviously raises the cost of funds. And that is the reason why we have hiked it. We have tried to hike it by the minimum possible, that's 20 basis points. And we still remain one of the cheapest in the market even after this rate hike.
Ms. Bhattacharya, hi, morning. At 10%, SBI clearly still has one of the lowest base rates. Would you in the near future look at another base rate hike?
No, I do not think so. I think for the current period and maybe for the immediate future, we are done.
Bhattacharya, do you think this rate hike could come at the cost of business? Do you think this could have impact on credit growth?
I really don't think so, because as you yourself mentioned, we still are one of the cheapest in the market. So that being the case, I don't think it will come at the cost of credit growth. We will continue to remain competitive on that front.
Are you confident of a 17-18% credit growth? That's what the industry has reported. Do you think your growth numbers would be in line with the industry or slightly higher than the industry?
No. It will definitely be in line with the industry. In fact, we will strive to make it more than the industry. Of course, having consideration of the fact, that we also need to ensure asset quality. So we will only go for quality assets. But having said that, if the economy grows the way we are hoping it will grow in the third and the fourth quarter, being the busy seasons, we expect that we will be able to retain this 17 to 18% growth.
And your margins, do you hope to better the performance this time around, or would you maintain the margin rate?
I think we'll go for maintenance of the margin rate.
Ms. Bhattacharya, PSU banks surely this time around have surprised with the asset quality management. The initial numbers which have come out, they are much better than what markets were expecting. Are we in for a result surprise from SBI as well?
See, at this point, I would rather not comment on this. This is the silent period for our second quarter results, which are due on the 13th. So I think you have to wait till the 13th for me to answer that question.
Okay, Ms. Bhattacharya, we'll chat with you again. Appreciate you taking the time out and speaking with us today.